Here on our campus on Marquette, we have almost 12 buildings. We occupy two sides of Marquette, so we're really operating as one big campus. We have about 100 students per grade, which puts us right around 990 students here at Our Lady of Mercy School. We've been partnering with STAR since 2016, and it has been a wonderful relationship with STAR. I have to say they are always here when we need them. There's a lot of times when I drive by campus on a Sunday and there's a STAR truck here. Sometimes they're doing routine maintenance. They're here before school starts, after school ends. There's a lot of times when we get the call at 7 a.m. that something's not working, and our maintenance team puts a call into STAR, and by the end of the day, either it's been fixed or we've assessed the problem to know what we need to do next. We have a full coverage contract with STAR. Last summer, we replaced the roof on our original building, which was built in the 1950s. STAR was a great guide to us. Those units were still working, they were still functioning. However, at no cost to us, STAR was able to guide us to make a good, smart decision and replace those units at no cost. Over the past 7 years, I've seen a lot of members of the STAR team come through here, but every single one of them has always been friendly. They're always warm. They're always here to tell you what they're going to do. And so it's comforting to know that you've got people working in your school that want to be a part of the environment that day. They make themselves at home, and we wouldn't have it any other way. I think the fact that they keep us informed allows us to stay calm and allows us to know that STAR's right there. They're a phone call away, and they're going to take care of it